Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the retro lamp, which is a modern lava lamp, and see if it's any good. There are different colors and different types. This one that I bought has red wax and yellow water, and as you can see we have different combinations including glitter. This one looks interesting. The water is mixed, the wax is white, and this is multicolored for both. So let's see what's inside. I bought this for 25 bucks Australian. You get the bottle. So this is the bottle, so you can see yellow water and the wax. The wax is red. We have the coil to help dissipate or distribute the heat, as you expect with these lava lamps, just like the original lava lamp. We got a manual or something, instructions. Yeah, I will scan this and you will have a read at the end of the video if you are interested. This is the base, aluminum. We have the lamp already being installed there, which is looks like it used to say 20 and they made it 30 watt or 10 watts. Anyways, this is the lamp. This is the lamp itself. What's the ratings? It's 30 watts. $240 volts. Do not touch because it will get hot. What do we have here? Do not open, do not drink. So this is it. Let's turn it on. It's on. Let's leave it and see when it will heat up. And this is another one that I bought secondhand for $5. The bottle is a little bit different. It has a slight difference in the bottle, the design, and the head neck, the bottleneck, and this one has a groove. Can we put this here? No. And this will not fit here as well. So same thing, says do not drink, do not open, and same lamp by the look of it. And here we have also, if it's can focus, it says What's the rating? It doesn't say, 30 watts as well. Do we have any here? Yeah, we have info here on the bottom. Made in China. It's the head. Let's turn this on as well and wait for them to heat up. So this one already started doing its thing, and this one is still just starting. We still have this big blob connected, one already on the top. For this one, I think it takes about 2.5 hours, depends on the weather, on the temperature of the room. This one's about 1 hour. Takes 1 hour to heat up and start its thing. And this is a bottle from an old original retro lava lamp that I destroyed long time ago. Now I regret I did that. I just kept the bottle for some reason because I like the shape of it. It's a small one, as you can see, but the only thing that I don't like is that I don't remember the original colors, but the bottle is colored, so the water probably transparent. I'm not sure about the wax, I don't remember.